have WHO Makofi, USAID Makofi.
This year's National Immunization Week is an opportunity for us to re-energize our efforts to reach the last mile, the last child, the last girl, and the last adult. We need to look for those who have missed out on vaccines and also focus on strengthening our primary health care to deliver immunization and building lasting protection in communities. We have begun to provide the stipends, I think, effective this month, PS, effective May, yeah? We shall be providing the stipends to community health promoters.